Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a Tusk UTV cargo box with a top rack kit on your Polaris RZR XP 1000 or XP4 Turbo. Let's get started. We're going to start out with one of the side rails, and we're going to hold this up to the cargo box lid. And to get maximum use out of this, I'm going to have the crease in line with the top of the lid. And once you have everything centered up and squared up, you're going to want to mark one of the mounting locations. I'm just using a Sharpie to do that. So with that, I'm going to use a centering punch, then a 3/16 inch drill bit. I'm going to drill that out. From here, there's no going back. So we're going to take a rivet, and the rivet gun, we're going to go through the side rail and into the hole we just drilled. And then once you have the rivet installed, you're going to want to center up the top rack. And then you're going to want to mark your drilling location on the other end. After that, we can drill out the remaining 4 mounting locations and install the rivets. And it's going to be the same process for the other rail. All of this hardware is in the cargo box, so you want to make sure you get it all out and have it all accounted for. Now, some of this can hide in hard to reach places, so I did use a magnet to help fish some of it out. At the machine, I'm going to remove the engine access panel. And then we're going to remove the screws from the 4 corners of the bed. So we're going to use a T40 Torx bit to do that. Now on the passenger side rear wheel well, we've got a heat shield we need to remove. We're just using a 10mm socket. Now for the brackets, you've got a driver's side and passenger side. Now with these, you want the side that is straight up and down. That's going to face towards the rear of the machine. So I'm going to start in this front mounting corner. I've got the M6 bolt and washer. We're going to thread that into place. We're just leaving it finger tight. And then for the back mounting location, we have the M8 bolt. And then from the bottom, we have the rubber piece. We've got our washer and then a flange nut. And again, we're going to leave it slightly loose. Then we'll do the same thing for the passenger side. Now for the rear mounting locations, we're going to clean that hole out. Then we've got the male to female adapter. We actually have an M6 flange nut we're going to thread on the bottom and tighten that down as well. Now I'm just using a 14mm socket and 10mm combo wrench to tighten that hardware down. Now keep in mind, you need to get the nut installed before you thread that male to female adapter all the way in. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get the nut on. Then we've got the same thing on the right side. Now with the mounting brackets loosely installed, we can go ahead and set the cargo box into place. You're going to first start by installing all of the hand knobs and leave them slightly loose until all of them are in place, and then go back through and tighten them down. That's going to line all your brackets. Then we can remove the hand knobs and the cargo box. Just be careful when you remove the cargo box, you don't want to bump those brackets out of place. And then go ahead and tighten down all of the hardware. Don't forget your engine access panel. After that, we can reinstall the cargo box and tighten down the hand knobs. Now we can reinstall our heat shield. And there you have it. That's the install process for the Tusk UTV cargo box with top rack kit on your Polaris RZR. It's pretty simple to do. And if you need one of these boxes or anything else for your machine, just click the link in the description below. That's going to take you over to our website. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that. Now, if you need help installing other accessories, we have tons of how-to videos and product spotlight videos. So go over to our YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.